That I would like to call Lamia Taraki, a student of grade 10, delivering her speech on behalf of Farewell 2025.
Honorable Chairman, respected teachers, Honorable Chairman, Honorable Head Teacher, respected teachers, dear parents, and beloved seniors. Assalamu alaikum, good morning to all. It is an honor and a moment of great emotion for me to stand here today as a representative of the 10th grade students to say a few words to our beloved SSC candidates on this special farewell occasion. Dear brothers and sisters, the journey we shared with you, the memories in the classroom, the laughter on the playground, the friendly advice and support will forever be cherished in our hearts. You have been our inspiration, our mentors, and our friends. We have learned so much from you through your dedication, behavior, and attitude. Today's farewell is not just a formality, it is a heartfelt expression of our love, emotion, and best wishes for you. You are about to step into a new chapter of your life, facing the SSC exams and entering the wider world of higher education and greater responsibilities. Finally, we want to say we will truly miss you, but we believe that the same excellence you have shown here will lead you to even greater heights in the future. Wishing you all the very best. Stay well, stay confident, and keep moving forward. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Lamia Taraki, for delivering her excellent farewell speech. After that, I would like to call Amir Hamza Hussain and SSC examinee for delivering farewell speech. Amir Hamza.